Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on FastAPI. I know that in my every video there is something innovative, from starting from PHP to Python to Node.js, React.js, everything, maybe operating system, maybe MongoDB, every video there is something innovative. As we know, FastAPI is a modern Python web framework, very efficient in building API. We have seen few videos on FastAPI. We have also seen lot of videos on Streamlit, like face detection, face recognition, attendance system, fruits and vegetable classification, face alignment, then face recognition, and many more. Today's video is really creative and interesting. So please watch the video till the end. In today's video, I will be binding FastAPI with Streamlit. So that is the power of Python. So we'll go through the iris flower video. Today's video is about iris flowers in this thing, which are a very useful scientific purpose. I will go through app. Here we can see here home.py. This is iris flower. Streamlit is a Python machine learning front end. Remember that. I told many times. Pages here 4. These are the classification we are done, and I will be showing you in using Streamlit. This part I will be showing you in Streamlit. We can see here. Yes, we can see here Streamlit is there. Now I will execute the front end part. I will execute the front end part. Yes, fine. Yes, FastAPI iris flower. Now get, I will extract data. It will show. Try it out. Execute. It is showing the space, petal length, and this thing, petal burden. These are all about. Now I want to add something. Post. I will take 1, 2, 1 and 2. Execute. Yes, fine. Now we will see the another part, that is Streamlit. Yes, fine. A very nice screen has been displayed in front of you, raw data. So this is all about hospital and this thing. Then show entire data set. Here is data set is there. Show summary statistic info. Yes, fine. Head and tail. Very nice screen is displayed. Now pair plot. This is about the front end part of the very nice screen has been displayed in front of you. Plot and this thing. Classification, you can see here this is called test data. Test data is not there, I think so. Train data. Predict. Yes, something is changing. Now I will change 5.6, 5.1, and now predictive purposes. Yes, it has been changed. Something changed in there. First principle component. So I successfully done with FastAPI bind with Streamlit. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos with FastAPI and Streamlit combining together, and more creative videos on machine learning using Python, and more creative videos on attendance system using machine learning, then face recognition using machine learning, then attendance system using SQLite, then Node.js in really different style. I have done 2 to 3 videos in Node.js in really different style. Then if possible React. It will take a lot of time to work on React because it is long back ago. I am not done any video on React, but I will try. And if possible, web development using Python. So keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.